What's up, everybody? Jerry with Dipping Up Trading back for another video. Going to be talking about Camber Energy, or ticker symbol CEI. Going to be jumping into some technical analysis. Also going to check out the Ortex data. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that like, hit up that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen. Helps people find the channel and the content. Also helps spread all of this information out to the rest of the community, and just helps everyone grow together. So let's get this thing rolling. So on the day, Camber Energy was down 40.62%, down 62.125 cents, finished the intraday just over 90 cents, okay? The after hours ran up almost 31%, so pretty much almost finished net neutral in the day, finished in the after hours up 28 cents, up and finished at $1.19 respect. Really what I want to kind of get you guys to understand and realize is, yeah, there was a massive sell-off, but there were several forms of DD that came out, one of which I think was posted by Zach Morris, saying that there's not going to be oh my gosh, here, let me find it so I can, here we go. All right, so I found it. So there's an article that came out today at 4:05 p.m. and it was basically saying that the 8K filing says it's not considering a reverse split. So apparently that's, in my opinion, that's probably why there was such a massive sell, because there were rumors regarding this. Now, because once that news came out, I think that's where this uptick came. But like for me personally, I had originally sold out because I noticed the bearish divergence. So I sold around $3.60 or so. And then once I started seeing this sell off, and once it bounced and kind of consolidated around that 90-cent range, I was like, shoot, I'm about to load up. So that's exactly what I did. So I was able to, almost quintuple my original position from what I had previous. And then I was already up like 30% by the end of the after hour. So it was crazy. And now we ended with bullish divergence. So we have some bullish divergence that goes from yesterday through today. And you can see it here on the chart. So you notice how the chart's trending down, but the RSI is trending up. Okay, and we're in oversold territory. So we have that plus the MACD crossed that signal line earlier today, right in the morning. So that's also a good bullish indicator. Now, if we continue this, we have resistance at $1.26, and then from there we have $1.44. And then, let's see, I'd say like after that, $1.80, give or take. And then it just kind of starts running up. From there, it's going to jump because the sell-off was so fast. I would expect all these original levels that I had us crossing are going to be also those same significant levels of resistance that they were previously. But let me jump over. Let me get Ortex pulled up for y'all. So Ortex, let me pull up Ethereum. Oh, excuse me, not Ethereum. We are in Camber Energy, my fault. Man, I get all these things mixed up. All right, so Camber Energy utilization, boom, up 6.5%, 99.27%. Cost to borrow, up 12%. Days to cover, down. It's down almost 11% there. Not really too worried about it because it's not a drastic, significant change from what it was previously. Free float on loan is still up there, up 12.16%. Over half of the free float is currently out on loan. The short interest change on the day, so 3.84% was a net return. So we had 9.23 million returned versus 7 million borrowed against, for a net borrow change of 2.25 million returned for Camber Energy. Current short interest to the free float is just under 45%. Cost of our minimum, I don't understand how you can have a negative interest rate. That doesn't really make any sense to me. So that basically means that whoever lent it out is paying the person they lent it to. That doesn't make any sense to me. That looks like an error on Ortex's part. Cost of borrow max is around 25%. Cost of borrow average is just under 11. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really seeing anything too crazy, golly, but like, look at this number right here. So from the 10th to the 24th, the share short quadrupled. Now, this is with the percent of the free float currently on loan was at 23.5, okay, percent. Now it's up almost or over double that now. That's as of right now. So the fact that people are saying that this is a pump and dump, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to politely and respectively disagree with you. I think that there's more on the table here, especially with that news coming out that there's not a reverse split taking place. I think you're going to see buyers start to step back in, and I think this thing's going to run probably even more violently than it did before, especially because people are going to be able to get back in that already secured profits that are going to be able to maximize and even increase their position more and buy more shares. So definitely something to keep an eye out, especially Thursday and Friday and, ending out the week. So yeah, I mean, just keep your eyes on it. I'm going to be watching it like a hawk. I personally, just to be safe, I set a stop loss right at this bottom. So right at this 87-cent range. So if you're looking to enter, that's personally what I did. I'm not saying that you have to do that. That's just what I'm doing so that I can protect my initial investment. That's basically my stop loss is my break even. So that's just kind of where I'm at with that. So, but other than that, that'll wrap this one up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.